Hi, today we are going to see how we can install VS Code in our system, in Windows system. So for that, just go to Google and search for VS Code and click on the first link and click here, download for Windows. So it should automatically start downloading the installer. And from the download, click on this, click on the download and then accept the agreement, and then I'm going to click check these boxes, create a desktop icon, then add open with code action to Windows Explorer and all these, so that it will be easy for me to open a project or workspace. And then click on next, and after that click on install. So installation is started. Then wait for some time. Okay, installation is finished. Then click on finish. It will open VS Code. So yeah, this is now installed. Thanks.